How to reset your check engine light after fixing the problem. If your check engine light is on, it usually means there's a problem that needs attention. You should always diagnose and fix the issue first. Most auto parts stores can scan your car for free and tell you what's wrong. But sometimes, even after you've fixed the problem, the light stays on. In that case, you can manually reset it. Here's how. 1. Locate and access the battery. Pop the hood of your car and find the battery. You'll usually have a plastic cover over it. Remove the cover so you can see the battery terminals. 2. Disconnect the battery. You'll need a 10mm socket wrench. Most cars use this size. Loosen one of the terminals, doesn't matter if it's positive or negative, and remove the cable. Once it's disconnected, leave it off for a few minutes. This allows the car's electronic systems and capacitors to fully discharge, clearing the stored codes. 3. Reconnect the battery. After waiting a bit, reconnect the terminal and tighten it back up securely. Your car's computer should now be reset, and the check engine light should be off. Important things to know. This only works if you've already fixed the problem. If the issue is still there, the light will just come back on. Emissions testing caution. If you're trying to reset the light to pass emissions, it won't work right away. After disconnecting the battery, the car's computer needs time to relearn driving data. So drive at least 20 minutes or about 50 miles before going for an emissions test. Tips. 1. Fix the issue first. A loose gas cap is common, but always scan the code with an OBD2 reader or visit an auto parts store. 2. Disconnect the battery. Open the hood, use a 10mm wrench to remove the negative terminal, and wait 5 to 10 minutes so the system fully drains. 3. Reconnect and tighten. Start the car, light should be off. 4. Drive at least 20 minutes or 50 miles. This lets the computer relearn before emissions testing. Quick tips. Check gas cap first. Don't clear without knowing the problem. Be aware radio/clock may reset. If the light flashes, stop driving. It's serious. This only works if the issue is actually fixed. Otherwise, the light will come back. If you go straight there, the system will show that it was recently reset, and they'll ask you to drive more before coming back. So that's it. A simple way to clear the check engine light if you've already repaired the problem. Hopefully this helps, and hopefully you won't have any more car troubles. Thanks for watching.